This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect ClickFunnels to Facebook ads. First, let's understand the crucial role of the Facebook pixel. This small piece of code allows you to track website visitors and their actions, providing invaluable data for your ad campaigns. You will find your unique pixel ID within your Facebook Ads Manager account. Copy this ID carefully, as it is essential for the next steps in integrating with your ClickFunnels pages. Now, let's integrate that pixel ID into your ClickFunnels account. Go to your specific funnel, then access the settings. You will find a section for head tracking code or custom CSS/HTML. Paste your copied Facebook pixel ID here. This ensures the pixel fires on every page within that funnel. Remember to save your changes to activate the tracking across all your funnel steps effectively. With the pixel installed, it is time to set up event tracking. Standard events, such as page view and purchase, are automatically tracked. However, you can also create custom conversions for unique actions within your funnel, like a lead submission or a specific button click. Always use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension to verify that your events are firing correctly and sending data back to Facebook. Finally, you are ready to launch your Facebook ad campaigns. When setting up your ads, select the appropriate conversion event that aligns with your campaign goal, such as purchase or lead. Utilize the data gathered from your funnel to define precise target audiences. Continuously monitor your ad performance, making data-driven adjustments to optimize for higher conversions and a better return on your ad spend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.